Hello YouTubers, this is Geomar Railroader. Welcome back to ATS. Today we're going to continue our journey and pick up our second load and get our second truck by the end of this episode, and also upgrade our yard and get a driver. So let's get started. Okay, let's pick our second load up. Okay, we have our home accessories going to San Diego. The truck that we're going to be using today is Kenworth W900. Although this does not have an automatic transmission, it's a manual. I'll have to watch my speed here as we head down to San Diego with this load. So let's get going. Okay, let's start the truck and pull out of this yard and head to San Diego. We're starting at Charged in Los Angeles, and we are headed to Interstate 5 and headed down to San Diego. Okay, we're not going to make the same mistake we made in the last video. We're going to stop about halfway from the crosswalk at this light, and we're going to go wide. Always go wide when you're at these traffic lights, when you're turning left, so your trailer does not smash any vehicles when you pull out. At that intersection over there by Buteman, we did not have that option, and unfortunately that's what caused the accident. Since this truck does not have an automatic transmission, we have to keep our speed below 28 or we'll get a ticket. Okay, now we turn here. And now we're on Ventura, headed towards Interstate 5, and then from there we'll head south. Okay, looks like we missed our traffic light, so we have to stop. Once it turns green, we'll proceed. Okay, we just got a message regarding a contract. We'll look at that once we're done with this mission. Now we're pulling into Ontario. And we're on the main drag. As we go through Ontario, we'll be passing by the Kenworth dealership. Good thing to put that on the map, because when we buy our first truck, we have to go over there and pick it up. Okay, got another light, so we'll wait for a few minutes. Okay. This is the last light before the interstate. And we'll be passing by Ontario Kenworth in about 2 minutes. This is also where the street narrows. So we have to be very careful right here. There's Ontario Kenworth. We'll be stopping over there later to pick up our truck. Oops! Around that corner too sharp. That'll take some points off our load.